everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to control YouTube music video using only your keyboard. This is a faster and easier way to manage your music on desktop. This is especially useful if you're working, studying, or multitasking and don't want to keep using your mouse. Now first, open the YouTube music on your browser and click anywhere on the page to make sure the player is active. Now here are the keyboard shortcuts you need to know. Press the space bar or a semicolon to instantly play or pause your music. Now press J to skip to the next song, or press K to go back to the previous song. By doing this, there's no need for you to search buttons or switch tabs. Everything is controlled instantly from your keyboard. This makes listening to music much faster and smoother, especially when you're focused on other tasks. And that's it! Thanks for watching!